2027 is closer than you think, and it's going to change everything. Space travel? Not just for astronauts anymore. Private moon trips begin, and Mars gets its first base camp. Brain chips? Yeah, by 2027, people will control devices with their thoughts. Climate tech will explode. New cities powered only by sun and wind. Fossil fuels almost gone. And robots working? Robot doctors, and maybe your best friend is an AI. But beware, with great tech comes great chaos. Hacked minds, job revolutions, and digital wars might be knocking. Get ready. 2027 isn't the future. It's the countdown to the next world. Subscribe to stay ahead.